More than saying I want first class marks, I need imagination and the sense of wonderment to be in his mind. Trust me, there's no way in hell if you saw me as a teen or a kid, you would expect that kid, that scared little girl, to even get to where I am today. My eldest sister, Shushma, was like almost that mother figure to me. I was as I said, a very quiet kid, especially when I used to come home and I would be very upset about maybe, something that happened in school. She would make up these on the spot stories with morals. A kid went from this to that, which maybe gave me that confidence. That sense of confidence and knowing that you can get somewhere, even if you don't believe, comes through stories. And that's what my sister did for me, When Naira was born, my son, who was the, absolute, Mr. Number One, pride and joy, suddenly had to share his time with the little one. I've had to work so hard in making sure that he accepts her, he doesn't feel jealous. And that's where storytelling came in. Because every night, even when I was pregnant, I used to talk about when they grow up that she's going to protect him. And when his friends go home, she's going to be his friend. And they're going to play, and then they're going to be superheroes together. And sometimes I actually dress them up in costumes, almost like they're secret superheroes there for each other. Because look, at the end of the day, at some point when you leave, that's all that's going to be left is brother and sister together. And what I did is I used storytelling to instill that sense of protection and that sense of responsibility in Hans, rather than him resent us for bringing another baby into the house. I now encourage Hans to actually draw his own stories and to create his own stories. It's a very big part of my upbringing for my child. More than saying I want first class marks and I want him to be competitive, I need imagination and the sense of wonderment to be in his mind. What I do a lot is I bring inclusion a lot in my stories, which means, if they see a child with a specially able child, they're not going to sit there and judge or feel, what is this? It's different from what I know. The confidence they have, especially with like gadgets, sometimes, Hans will say, oh mom, but you haven't seen this feature, especially even with the Voot Kids app. And I was like, oh, really? I mean, this app narrates? Wow. Press narration. And I'm like, okay, there you go. I'm out of here. If you guys like this video, do not forget to subscribe to Tweak India. And guys, do check out the Voot Kids app. It's unbelievable. It's all in one. Watch, listen, and learn with Voot Kids. And Samira Reddy signing off here.